Have you ever wished you could do something simple before bed that could actually help your eyes heal overnight? Imagine waking up in the morning and feeling like your vision is clearer, your eyes are less strained, and you've supported them in the most natural way possible, without expensive treatments or complicated routines. What if I told you that something as calming as a warm cup of tea could play a big role in repairing and protecting your eyes while you sleep? Stay with me, because in this video we're going to explore 3 of the very best bedtime teas that seniors can drink to naturally improve vision and support long-term eye health. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. And your support helps more people just like you discover simple, natural ways to care for their eyes. Now let's dive right in, because every night is an opportunity to care for your eyes. When we go to sleep, our body shifts into repair mode. The cells in our eyes, like the rest of our body, use this time to recover from daily stress. Things like glare from screens, UV rays from sunlight, and even the natural aging process. But here's the amazing part. Certain teas contain powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds that can help support this repair process. These teas are not only soothing before bed, but they also give your eyes a gentle push toward healing, hydration, and long-term protection. One of the first teas I want to share with you today is lemon balm tea. Now, lemon balm has been used for centuries as a calming herb, often recommended in European herbal medicine books for its ability to ease tension, relax the mind, and support restful sleep. But what's often overlooked is how it can benefit the eyes. Lemon balm contains rosmarinic acid, a compound that helps reduce oxidative stress. Why is this important for seniors? Because oxidative stress is one of the main reasons the eyes age faster. It damages the cells in the retina, increases the risk of cataracts, and contributes to blurry or weak vision. By reducing this stress, lemon balm gives your eyes the environment they need to repair themselves during the night. Just imagine ending your day with a warm, gentle cup of lemon balm tea. Not only does it relax your nervous system, making it easier to drift into deeper sleep, but it also works quietly in the background to reduce inflammation and protect your delicate eye tissues. A peaceful mind and healthier eyes. It's the perfect combination. And if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you won't miss the next natural eye health tips we share every week. The second tea I recommend may surprise you. It's hibiscus tea. You might already recognize hibiscus for its bright red color and tart flavor, but what you may not know is how powerful it is for eye health. Hibiscus is packed with vitamin C and anthocyanins, which are pigments that not only give the tea its vibrant color, but also strengthen the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. For seniors, maintaining strong and flexible blood vessels is essential, because it ensures your eyes receive a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients while you sleep. Think of it this way. Your eyes are constantly working during the day, taking in light, focusing, and adjusting to different environments. At night, they need good circulation to repair. Hibiscus tea helps by supporting healthy blood flow and reducing blood pressure, which many older adults struggle with. High blood pressure can damage the small, sensitive vessels in the eyes over time, but hibiscus has been shown in clinical studies to gently lower it, making it a double benefit for your overall health and your vision. So if you're looking for a tea that tastes delicious, looks beautiful, and directly helps your eyes stay nourished and protected, hibiscus tea is a wonderful choice before bed. And if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button. It lets me know you'd like to see more videos on natural remedies like this. Now, the third tea I want to share with you tonight is one that often flies under the radar, but it's truly a gem for seniors. Passionflower tea. Historically, passionflower was recommended by Native American healers and later included in European herbal texts for its calming effects. It's widely known for reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality, which alone makes it excellent for bedtime. But here's where it gets even more interesting for your eyes. Passionflower naturally increases GABA activity in the brain, which not only helps you relax, but also promotes deeper stages of sleep, the very time when your body does its best repair work. Why does this matter for your eyes? Because poor sleep is one of the hidden enemies of eye health. When you don't get enough restorative sleep, your eyes don't have the chance to recover from strain, dryness, or damage caused during the day. Over time, this can accelerate vision problems. By drinking passionflower tea before bed, you're not just calming your nerves, you're giving your eyes the chance to repair in the way nature intended during deep, restful sleep. Many older adults who start adding passionflower tea to their evening routine find not only that they sleep better, but also that their eyes feel less dry and irritated in the morning. And here's a simple real-life application. If you combine passionflower tea with a small evening routine, like dimming the lights, turning off screens an hour before bed, and gently massaging your eyelids, you're giving your eyes the perfect environment to rest, repair, and recharge overnight. It's simple, but it can make a real difference. Don't forget to comment below if you've ever tried passionflower tea or if you're planning to start, because I'd love to hear about your experience. Now, as calming and powerful as these three teas are, lemon balm, hibiscus, and passionflower, many seniors wonder, how exactly should I drink them for the best results? It's a great question, because the timing, the way you prepare your tea, and even what you pair it with can make a huge difference. And before I explain that, make sure you've subscribed and clicked the notification bell so you'll never miss future tips on natural ways to protect your eyesight. Let's start with the timing. Bedtime teas work best when you drink them, about 30 to 45 minutes before going to sleep. This gives your body time to absorb the beneficial compounds and also signals your brain to begin winding down. Think of it like telling your body, it's time to rest, it's time to heal. For example, if you usually go to bed at 10 p.m., make your tea around 9:15 or 9:30. This not only ensures the calming effects have set in, but it also helps you build a bedtime ritual, something the body truly thrives on, especially as we age. Now, here's a small but important tip. Avoid adding too much sugar or sweeteners to your tea. Excess sugar is linked to inflammation and can worsen eye problems over time, especially for people with diabetes. Instead, if you want a little natural sweetness, you can add a drop of raw honey. Just make sure it's not too much. Honey itself has mild antioxidant properties, and many seniors find that it adds a pleasant touch without spiking blood sugar levels in the same way refined sugar does. Always remember to keep it simple. Another great practice is to combine these teas with foods rich in eye protective nutrients during your evening meal. For example, if you're enjoying hibiscus tea, pair it with a dinner that includes leafy greens like spinach or kale, which provide lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients proven in studies to protect against macular degeneration. Or if you're drinking lemon balm tea, pair it with foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like baked salmon or a small serving of walnuts. These combinations create what I like to call an eye-friendly evening, where your dinner and bedtime tea work hand in hand to give your eyes maximum repair support. If you're enjoying this so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover natural tips like this. Now, let's talk about something that many seniors ask me about. Is it safe to drink these teas every night? The short answer is yes, for most people. Herbal teas like lemon balm, hibiscus, and passionflower are generally safe when taken in moderate amounts. However, it's always wise to check with your doctor if you're on medication, especially for blood pressure or sleep, since some herbs may enhance their effects. For example, hibiscus is known to naturally lower blood pressure, which is wonderful for eye health. But if you're already taking strong blood pressure medication, you'll want to monitor carefully. So, always listen to your body and make adjustments if necessary. Another important point for seniors, hydration. Our eyes are made up largely of fluid, and dehydration is a common reason for dry, irritated eyes, especially at night. Drinking. A warm cup of tea before bed not only provides antioxidants, but also hydrates your body and your eyes. Just remember to keep it to 1 cup in the evening, so you don't wake up too often during the night to use the bathroom. That way, you get the full benefit of both hydration and uninterrupted deep sleep. Here's something else to keep in mind. Consistency matters. 1 cup of hibiscus tea tonight might feel relaxing, but the real benefits for your eyes come with regular, long-term use. Studies on herbal remedies often show that improvements happen gradually over weeks, not overnight. So if you start drinking passionflower tea every evening for 2 or 3 weeks, you may notice that not only are you sleeping better, but your eyes feel less strained when you wake up. Think of these teas as gentle daily helpers rather than quick fixes. And if you're serious about caring for your eyes naturally, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we share strategies that build up over time and really make a difference. Now, let's bring this into a real-life example. Picture a senior named Maria, age 67. She spends a lot of her day reading and using her tablet, which often leaves her eyes feeling tired and dry by the evening. For years, she would go straight to bed without any relaxing routine, and she noticed her sleep was light and restless. After learning about hibiscus tea, she decided to give it a try. She made a cup each night about 30 minutes before bed, and within a few weeks she noticed 2 things. Her sleep became deeper and her eyes felt more refreshed in the morning. She later added lemon balm tea on stressful nights, and now her evening routine is something she looks forward to, not only for her sleep, but for the health of her eyes. Stories like Maria's show us how simple changes can lead to real improvements. It's also worth remembering that these teas don't just support your eyes. They benefit your whole body. Lemon balm tea calms your nervous system, hibiscus supports your heart and circulation, and passionflower reduces anxiety. When your whole body is healthier, your eyes naturally become healthier too, because your eyes are connected to your cardiovascular, nervous, and immune systems. This is why traditional medicine always emphasized balance, not just treating one part of the body. And modern science is starting to confirm what ancient wisdom already knew. What's good for your body is also good for your eyes. If this resonates with you, drop a comment below and let me know which of these teas you're most interested in trying. So far, we've explored 3 of the best bedtime teas for seniors: lemon balm, hibiscus, and passionflower, and we've talked about how they can reduce eye strain, improve blood flow, and encourage deep repair while you sleep. But here's something that often gets overlooked. Bedtime tea isn't just about the herbs in the cup, it's about the ritual surrounding it. Seniors who build a soothing bedtime practice often find their eyes improve faster because the body thrives on rhythm and relaxation. And before we move deeper, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. It helps more people discover simple, natural ways to protect their vision. Think about your own evening routine for a moment. Are you rushing from TV or phone screens straight into bed? Or do you take a little time to wind down? One powerful way to enhance the effect of these teas is to combine them with what I like to call eye-friendly rituals. For example, after preparing your tea, dim the lights in your room and spend just 5 minutes with your eyes closed, practicing slow breathing. This lowers stress hormones and allows the antioxidants in your tea to work in a calmer, more balanced environment. A calm body means calmer eyes. Another ritual you might try is a gentle warm compress. After sipping your tea, soak a clean cloth in warm water, wring it out, and place it over your eyes for a few minutes. This helps improve circulation around the eyes and relaxes the small muscles that work hard all day to focus. When paired with a tea like passionflower, which already encourages deeper sleep, this simple step makes your bedtime routine a complete healing experience. If you're finding these ideas helpful, hit the like button now. It really supports the channel. Now, I want to touch on something important. Seniors with diabetes. Many of you watching know how diabetes can affect eye health, leading to problems like diabetic retinopathy, blurry vision, or increased risk of cataracts. These teas can be particularly helpful here. Hibiscus, for example, not only supports blood flow, but may also help regulate blood sugar levels, according to several studies. Lemon balm has been traditionally noted for its ability to reduce stress-related glucose spikes. And passionflower's role in improving sleep is especially valuable because poor sleep worsens blood sugar control. So if you're managing diabetes, these teas offer gentle support for both your vision and your overall health. Of course, no tea can replace medical treatment. But remember this: your lifestyle choices are like daily votes for or against your long-term eye health. Every cup of tea, every balanced meal, every moment of restful sleep adds up. And the beauty of these bedtime teas is that they're enjoyable. You'll actually look forward to them. That makes it easier to stay consistent, which is where the true results come from. Let's imagine another real-life scenario. James, a 72-year-old retiree, spent years struggling with eye fatigue after reading. He also had mild hypertension, which worried him because of its link to vision problems. After adding hibiscus tea into his nightly routine, he noticed that his blood pressure readings began to improve, and his eyes felt less tired in the mornings. Over time, he added lemon balm tea on nights when stress was high. For James, it wasn't about one magic cup, but about building a steady practice. His story is a reminder that small, consistent actions really do add up over months and years. Now, you might be wondering, how long should you keep drinking these teas? The answer is simple: as long as they feel good for your body. Unlike medications, which are often taken for a specific course of time, these teas can be part of your lifestyle indefinitely. They're gentle, natural, and safe for most people. And because they bring relaxation and hydration, they support not only your eyes, but your entire body. As we close, I want you to imagine this. Every night when you pour your cup of tea, you're giving your eyes a chance to heal, to rest, and to prepare for another day of seeing the world clearly. It's not just a drink, it's an act of self-care, a gift to your future vision. Whether you choose lemon balm for relaxation, hibiscus for circulation, or passionflower for deep sleep, each cup is a step toward protecting your eyesight in a natural, enjoyable way. So tonight, before you go to bed, I encourage you to make one small change. Pick one of these teas, prepare it with care, and drink it slowly without distraction. Feel the warmth, let your mind quiet down, and give your eyes the support they deserve. Do this consistently, and you may be surprised at the difference you feel over time. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone you love who could benefit from healthier eyes. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which tea you're most excited to try first. Until next time, take care of your eyes, take care of yourself, and remember, a small cup tonight can mean a clearer tomorrow.